Soulwalk really represents a powerful testament to the richness and diversity of Tampa's Black communities, their history and contributions to our city's cultural landscape. By showcasing over 100 public artworks and historic sites, this art and heritage trail invites you to share in our past, present, and future. It fosters a sense of community and connection through storytelling, public engagement, and documentation.
This walk will tribute to the people who built this great city and to the challenges that they overcome. The Soul Walk represents a city that honors its history, a city that is not afraid to confront its challenges of the past, and a city that highlights the Black voice and accomplishments that have helped shape our community.
It is critically important to our future that we know and understand our history so that we can celebrate the past, but also to ensure that we don't make the same mistakes that we made in the past. I just can't think of a more exciting day than today when we get to unveil the Soul Walk and be able to share it with the entire city.